Hey there, Andrew Texador with HomeSmart, and I am just going to give a real quick run through of submitting your home through our iBuyer submission portal, which is named Donna. Okay, so if you're a seller or an owner that's considering a cash convenient sale, like through a Zillow, OfferPad, or Open Door, what I can do is represent you and go to them all, plus additional buyers that you've never heard of that are in the market buying on a regular basis. So I'm going to just go through and show you how Donna works. Okay, so Donna is a portal that is built through IREP. IREP is a certification that some of the top realtors in the country use, started here in the Phoenix market, and we're everything at ground zero for a real estate. So there's a need in the market for owners to have a cash and convenient offer. And so we've noticed that over the last 8 to 10 years, companies like the OfferPads and Open Doors have come in and made an impact. But it's just one opportunity or option if you were to go directly to them. And so we have the opportunity to take your home through Donna and have all of them go to Donna with our description that we put in on your property and the pictures, and get a solid offer from up to 18 different institutional buyers. Okay, and so in this case, I'd be putting in my information, my phone number, my email, and then your property address as the owner, county, the Phoenix market here, okay? And then these are for different options for Donna. OfferPad, Open Door, Renew, Wedgwood, Zillow. Okay, we put in the number of beds and baths, the square footage of your home, the lot square footage, the year built, the property type, does it have a basement or not, and an asking price. We would put mortgage information if there is any, if the community is age restricted, because not all the buyers buy in age restricted communities, if it's gated, because not all buyers buy in gated communities, the type of parking, because that's important, parking count, whether there's a pool or not, if the home would be vacant at close of escrow or would be occupied by a tenant at close of escrow. So these are all different, if you would, criteria type where would qualify different buyers, right? Or disqualify your property from different buyers as well. Whether or not it has solar, if it has a septic, if there's an HOA, properties located hillside, some of the buyers don't like that. Description of appliances, kitchen features. So it gets really granular, and you get a really, really good description of your property along with pictures, so that, right, age of the AC, the type of AC, as well as your water heater. So we're gonna get a really good snapshot of your home. Flooring, condition of the flooring, roof, landscaping, if there's renovation required, and then to the extent that we could visibly see, whether it's in a flood zone, if there might be lead-based paint, and then price remarks. So some people are looking to get out really as quickly as possible, and even as quickly as 24 hours after an inspection. And basically, it's just giving an idea on how quickly you're looking to sell. I don't really like that question, but your home is worth what it is, right? Not what anybody's looking for it anyway. And then your after repair value. This is like what I would give an estimate on that value of your home after it would be renovated. And so I've got a really good idea of what it would cost per square foot to renovate your home from the ground up, whether it need windows, flooring, cabinetry, countertops, appliances, maybe need to upgrade the plumbing, electrical system, roof, etc. Okay, and so I've got a really good idea of what that might cost and what the future value after the repair value would be. And then it asks if we would be able to relist the property. Then we put a link to pictures, and then upload a file that includes a listing agreement. So our listing agreement in this case is limited to the time of when I would come out to your house, tell you how it works, which is what I'm doing right here, get you to fill out this limited agreement, which allows me to go back and solicit offers through Donna to all of these buyers. And it ends on the day that I return with the offers. Okay, and so my fee for doing this is $29.95, $2,995. Whether your home is worth $200,000 or $400,000 or $600,000, right? And so some of these buyers are buyers up to that price range, and some of them are not. Some of them are buyers up to the million and over. So, and then my description of the condition of the property. I submit this within 72 hours in most cases. This submission through Donna will get offers from up to the 18 buyers, in addition to the ones that are listed here. And then it'll come out in a net sheet. And the net sheet will be available once there are offers. And that's how it is. That's the reason why I need to come out to your house to take a picture, to get you to sign the limited listing agreement, and for you to agree to a $29.95 fee, if and only if you accept one of the up to 18 offers. Okay, and so if there's 5 offers, that means out of the 18 potential institutional buyers, 5 were interested. If there's 18, they're all interested. Okay, and that net sheet will break down each of their offers into an easy to absorb net to you as the owner after all, their title fees and your own fees. And I say fee, but it's just a net. They don't charge you anything to do it, but they just deduct it from their actual retail value of a property. Okay, so they are investors. They are in it to flip these houses and or renovate them and either keep them as rental properties or to sell them and make a profit. And so this is a convenience that owners are paying for when they're dealing with these iBuyers. We just give you the opportunity to have a professional go on your behalf and get up to, like I said, 18 offers. Andrew Texeter with HomeSmart. I'm certified as an iReal Estate Pro here, and I've been helping buyers and sellers make a smart move since 2000. And I'd like to help you. You can reach me at 602-909-9414. Direct message me on Facebook. Any other means. Let's do some business. Thanks for spending a couple minutes.